A spooktacular night of scares. With Halloween just around the corner, the Hilton at Island High School Seahawk Stage Company is getting ready to give the community a good scare by transforming their performing arts center into the haunt.
Bringing it to life is usually when all the students come together and work the best they can at creating fun rooms that for people to go by, creating ideas of how to scare people, and just making sure it's an amazing time.
It can be exhilarating. It's just a good way to get you a good scare during the Halloween season.
Every year, theater students design and build a haunted house full of frightful rooms, all with different themes, sure to send chills down your spine.
I have worked on the clown room and the doll room. I think clown room would be my favorite. Clown's classic, Halloween.
I really like the demon hallway. It's not exactly like a closed-in room, but it's supposed to be kind of somewhere where you can cool down. Like there's not gonna be actors in there, but I still think it's really thrilling because there's like these mannequin sort of things lining up every wall. So I think that's gonna be cool.
From the creepy clowns to ghostly hallways, even the sound effects are student made, mixing eerie music and spooky sounds to set the mood. The young actors are excited to take on their roles and hope to get plenty of screams.
I'm gonna be one of the Shining twins. I'm looking forward to seeing what I'm able to do as a scare actor. If I'm successful, the reactions that I can get from people. Also, we've said if you can't get the scare, get the laugh. So I'm excited to see how much that happens.
All the scares serve a purpose. Every ticket sold helps fund theater performances throughout the school year.
Most of the money goes back into the plays, as in to buy rights, to buy costumes, to buy makeup, to buy new props.
The haunt runs October 24th through the 26th, and again the 28th through the 30th from 7 to 10 p.m. Tickets are $10 per person or $30 for an unlimited day pass. At Hilton and Island High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.